Okay, let's do another one. Uber, the base sign system, which they're currently using, uh, and that managed to literally freeze my laptop. No variables yet, but plenty of other stuff. This is going to be a good one. Obviously, it's going to be really hard to just use it out of the box because it's so on brand for Uber. You also need their fonts and stuff. But as a design system, looks pretty complete, pretty good, maybe overblown. Like you wouldn't need literally all of this. You can just change the freaking colors. I know they have a lot of internal tools that they're using to deploy code, do code. Probably that's also conditioning a bunch of this logic. But yeah, again, especially if you're doing mobile apps, this is a pretty good one. Takes into account accessibility, fixing all the contrast and stuff, plenty of options for nothing really to complain about. Wish they had more examples because they usually look super cool. But if you're using this as a library also, it needs to be light. Again, high quality stuff done well with auto layout and shit. Yeah, totally awesome.